Hi everybody. So you guys all seemed to enjoy the video I made of me using a blender to blend some flower thing. With this art, I laid out. I don't know if you can see it. I laid a bit of colors that will be mixed by the blender. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do this a bit differently. I must do it properly this time. So I gotta get the paper. Oh, yeah, right. I gotta roll it up this way so it really gets at the color. Last time I was just doing a mistake. Okay, I think this is good enough. Let me just get it around the grinder. And must be careful while trying to fold it into the blender. Just move it down a bit. Ooh, this is more complicating than I thought. No, stay there. Hope it will stay there. I hope it does not get jammed up. Yes. Okay. This will do. So let's turn it on. Oh, I didn't plug it in. That was all. Okay. I've also got an assistant here with me. Okay. On. Well, that did not do it. This paper is so thick. I need to roll it a bit thinner. And yeah, it did not do anything. So, try this again. I need to roll this a bit thinner so I can really grind it. Okay. Let's fold it down. Be mindful of my fingers once again. Wrong way. I think this will do. I hope. Let's put that on. Plug it back in again. And I seem to need to move the paper a bit closer to grind. This is going to be risky and difficult. Yeah. Hope this will do. I just gotta fold this part up so it doesn't wind itself out. Let's try one more time. I think I know what I need to do. Make the paper a bit smaller. Let's try. I know we're starting to... Okay, hang on. My sister's gonna try to get the paper a bit better.
So if you want to really grind it up good, maybe put that side in first.
Okay. I think...
It's gonna damage it more.
Okay. I hope this...
Back to being the puppeteer.
Do... I think you can only grind with the lid off. Because the lid was about to fly off there. But now, this seems to have caused a bit more damage. Now, the paper has really been torn apart. See? I selected mix. That did not do what I was supposed to do. Now I wrote everything I have to do it. Oh my god. Why did I think of this? Why? I don't know what to do, man.
Your assistant is happy.
I hope that I can do this better. I should remember, don't use the blender. But yeah, an assistant was helping me. And if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see any other interesting stuff that is not using a blender to blend art, let me know. And I also forgot to remind, don't try anything that you see in this video. If you use a blender to do the job, it'll destroy your paper. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.